Greetings everyone who is watching this video. And like throughout this video, I will be showing you the preview. I'm gonna explain the method of making this video, and today I will just tell you some basic things where electromagnet is used and where it is not used. So what is an electromagnet? This is the first question that before we will start our video making that. So we will just answer this. Answer to this question is that the electromagnet is just a device. It works with the help of electricity or electric field. Without that, it does not work. And the difference between both, and you may think what is electromagnet and difference between electromagnet and ordinary permanent magnet. The difference between these two magnets are many, but I'll just tell you one main difference is that electromagnet only works with electricity. The normal magnet, bar magnet, horse-shaped magnet, U-shaped magnet, it does not work with electricity. It is permanent magnet. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is a preview of electromagnet. How does the electromagnet work? I will show you how to make it. Don't worry. So here you can see. Here you can. The electromagnet works like this. So let's begin our video. Now I will show you how to make an electromagnet. So the materials that are required here you can see. These materials you can even find at your home. Iron nail, as you can see. Make sure that iron nail does not refract any object or something. Okay. And this clipper wires, make sure that it's not broken. Scissors and this copper wire, make sure it is cut from both ends. It should not be tied and straight as we need it. So let's begin our video. So first take the iron nail and try to wind it around the nail, leaving a space of 1 inch finger gap on your wish. Just leave a bit of space at the end and begin one. So after some time you will see a winding. It will be like this. Yeah, make sure that there is no gap here. You can see you have to also wrap it, since if I leave it, it will like unwind, so you need to wrap it with the tape. So cut the tape and I will show you how to wrap. So here you can see I have wrapped the tape. I have to just make it sure the tape is tight, and please make sure there's no gap between. Okay. Now take the battery and the wires, and there's some iron metallic objects. So let's begin. Here.